Thumbnail. Okay. So we're gonna open this ring light and yeah, I hope it is easy though. Okay, so we finished building the ring light. This is the lighting. It's with the mount. Okay, so the Mount Dog ring light comes with the ring light. It comes with plastic covers. So the white ones are on there now, and then it comes with 4 orange ones. It comes with this bag, which is very convenient on the go, traveling, you know, if you're into that. A power adapter, a holder base. It comes with a phone holder, which I'm using right now, like a little tripod. It comes with a controller, the adjustable tripod, and then the smaller adjustable tripod. Let me see. Oh, you probably have to Bluetooth it though. That's cute. So you can take your pictures like with a click. With the click of a button. Shout out to my assistant who helped build this. You know, we do it all. And the lighting is just very good, you guys. I do recommend this for everyone. Get a ring light. And this one was, there's 2 ring lights that are very popular. This one was about $95 with tax. But yeah, this is what this one comes with. The lighting is very good. And yeah, let me show the final. So this is the final look. Look at the good lighting, like. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this mini unboxing vlog. Stay tuned for more videos and pictures with this ring light now.